Yo, in this video, I'm gonna give you 4 ways you can start using stories to sell more products and services. When to use stories, how to use stories, and how it's gonna help you. Number 1, you wanna use stories to establish credibility on the phone, right? If you wanna position yourself as an authority, there's nothing better than telling a story on how the product or service you're selling helps you get X results. Number 2 is overcome objections. If you want to learn how to overcome objections, there's nothing better than implanting a story. The story has to refer to the objection the person is giving you. You use a story to get that person to take action and get over their concerns and fears with your product or service. Number 3 is to differentiate your product and service. If you want to be seen as different, there's nothing better than using a story to make that difference. When you tell a story, the prospect doesn't see your product as somebody else's product. That story is unique to you and your product, and you can differentiate yourself in the marketplace. Number 4, create a sense of urgency. If you want to create urgency on the call, tell a story on how somebody received X result using your product and service, and tell them how if they would have waited, that result would have not been accomplished. That's how you're going to use stories to sell more of your products and your services. Let's go.